got the smallest fluke I've ever seen.
I may have caught the same fluke 2 days in a row.
Is this a flounder? Yeah, it's a baby fluke. It's tiny. It's 13. Strong. I think I found out what it was. Oh, a shit ton of robins right here. Maybe there's fluke in there too. They're just grabbing the tail. Is he on this time? Oh, there's like 4 or 5 of them behind me. Birds. Chill, bro. You're splashing. Oh, good, actually. It's really hot out. Birds. Fucking birds. They're everywhere. People start eating them. That one didn't know he was getting his lip pierced today. Robins, they're just holding the tail. Not getting on the hook. Let's see if it's gonna come off like that. No, I hooked him. Not the intended species, but a tight line nonetheless. Fuck you too. Where there's robins, there's flukaki, so I'm just gonna keep pitching at this little point right here. The boaters hate me, but they can suck a dick. Oh, fluke. Told you there'd be fluke here. Short though. Just about 13. Flukaki. That's those flukakis. That's what I'm after. That's the target species. I had enough of the shorts and the robins, so I headed out a little deeper. Bird is the word. The sound is flat enough for me to cross today. I'm not gonna do that. I'm fucking tired. Oh, getting hit. What is that? Take it. Oh shit, that was a big hit. Was that a gator? It's a porgy. Pork chop. Oh, I wanted to say hi to the camera. Little pork chop. Smell 10 inches. Dubai. We want his bigger brother. The best thing about a kayak is you never lose your rigs. You get snagged up, you just backtrack. Unhook your hook. I haven't lost one rig this year. These scup are some cold-blooded gankers. It's broad daylight getting ganked. They're Whoa, this thing is pinning me. Jesus H. Fuck. That's a nice jumbo. That's a 16, 15, 16 incher right there. That's a jambalaya. Holy shit. I can't even hold this fucking thing. Chill, bro. I'm just gonna kill you. Don't worry about it. That's 15. Nice, though. Nice fucking fork. Thought I wasn't getting out that time. Talking all that shit about losing rigs. Took me a little. It was a struggle. But it came out. Gonna have to change that fluorocarbon, but still got the jig. So I'm gonna keep talking that shit. This one just grew all of a sudden. Damn, it's a big porgy. Fucking jumbos over here, bro. Damn. That might be my personal best. This year is the best porgy run I've ever seen. Damn, that's a fucking 18 inch right there. He's almost 17. He is 17. 17 inches. Oh, you see that turd? 17 inches. Oh, you see that shit all over me. Ew. Ew, it's fucking clams and shit. Ew. Clams just came out of his butthole. How the hell did he eat the shell? Or maybe it was crab shell. Whatever. Jesus Christ. That is my personal best. Jumbo! Oh. 17 inch. It's a 17 inch porgy. It's my personal best. And I think there's more down there. Again. Alright. Sunburnt enough. Found out that porgies don't like bloodworms. I'd never liked bloodworms, so I'm heading back. I'm gonna troll my gulp. Hopefully bluefish don't rip it apart, and maybe I'll get lucky.
So the biggest porgy of my life is followed by the smallest striper of my life.
Small something. Troll, no? School. Baby school. Freaking paddle tail's bigger than he is. Inch schooler. That's probably the smallest striper I've ever caught. It's cute. Cutie. No, yeah, that's one of the smallest stripers I've ever caught.